Hey guys, the first habitat video. There's a Rick light down there. This is kind of cool to see new in the box, although I hate these. I wonder if this is old. I don't know much about exit signs, but that looks kind of old. I don't need... Oh, Andy's doing a video too, wow. This was here last time I was here. That's probably the coolest thing here, but it's nothing I want. I should... Do we need this? I don't see why, but...
Based on the brackets, I'm going to say that's a Beacon Hill.
Yeah, that's what it looked like to me, but you know, I don't really pay attention to new hunters.
Hunter, this is Summer Breeze, like Summer Breeze Plus or Summer Breeze 2 or whatever that is. There was one of these at the Madison Habitat when Mark and Emmanuel were in town. I think Emmanuel bought it. It was I believe it was a white one.
That seems like a thing he would like. This is a cooler finish, if you ask me.
It's got the granite blades.
On the other side, yeah.
Okay, what's down here? The close mount canopy.
He's being more thorough than me. I'm going to... Oh, there's a light kit over here. Still nothing I would want, but...
Could be a products incorporated.
Okay, well that's it for me. Thanks for watching.